So I think there's tangible benefits and intangible. The tangible is that we actually have some ongoing research programs with these people. So we share samples, material samples. We do measurements. We have access to their laboratories where where we can do measurements or send samples for measurements using equipment or facilities that would be very difficult for us to replicate and very expensive. So we have that tangible benefit of being able to do joint research and share facilities, share ideas within that research, um, and feed off some of the new things that are happening. So also the intangible benefits are just the enthusiasm and refresh of one's thinking that you get from interacting with really world-class people. So it's just great to hear wonderful people coming up with new ideas, showing the new things they're working on. That's inspiring.